We will model a simple low-poly street light in Blender. We have imported a reference image where you can see the street light. You can pay attention to the bottom left of the screen to see the keys I'm using. We start with the default cube. Press S to scale. Press E to extrude. S to scale. 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 Press numpad dot to zoom. E to extrude. S to scale. E to extrude. S to scale. Press E and then left-click to add a face on top of this face. S to scale. E to extrude. S to scale. E to extrude. S to scale. Let's see the result. Let's delete these two. Now, we will bevel the edges on 4 sides. Select the 4 edges. Now press Ctrl+B to bevel. Use the mouse wheel to add more faces and round them as much as you like. Select the edges and extrude them along their own z-axis. We want to make sure we extrude all 4 sides by the same amount. 0.05 meters looks good. We'll do the same for the remaining 3 edges. Let's see what we got so far. Let's make the middle part a little thinner. Turn on X-ray mode. Select these vertices and scale them down along the y-axis. Looks better now. Now, let's add some materials. Go to the Shading workspace. Add an image texture. Select these 4 faces. Move the vertices in the UV editor to the corresponding color. We can bring the other vertices to a single point with a single color. Let's see what we got. It would look cooler if we add a mission to the 4 side faces. In the shading workspace, add a new material in slot 2. And select these 4 faces. Increase the strength to an appropriate value. Let's change the color for emission. Now go back to the layout workspace. Activate ray tracing to see the lighting effect in EV Render Engine. And this is the final result. I forgot to mention an important point. To clean up your mesh, you can use Merge by Distance in Edit mode. Look how the number of vertices, edges, and faces is reduced. And we got a cleaner mesh now. It's better practice to clean the mesh after modeling and before adding the materials. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. Subscribe for more.